Hello mate, today I'm going to be talking about Nissan Almera problems. For many Nissan Almera drivers, sometimes they have problem with their cars. The ACC won't turn on and they cannot start the engine, they cannot stop the engine. If you have scan tool, you scan the car, the code says steering lock problem, push start button, CAN bus system failure. I have seen many videos on YouTube. They keep telling us that you have to replace steering lock, but actually the problem is from BCM, which control your steering lock, control door lock system, control intelligent keys, control headlights. I bought used BCM and reprogram it to make it communicate with ECM, to make it communicate with intelligent keys, and then the car can start again. Let's check the video. We need to turn the hazard lights on while communicating the ECM and BCM. รอครับรอเชื่อมต่อ BCM กับ ECU แล้วก็กุญแจได้แล้วกล่องเดิมน่าจะเสีย This is the BCM กล่องนี้2มาเคราะห์มากเลยเชื่อมต่อกันได้ละ